Ball. Jack, that's a ball. See, there's another ball. Ball. And here's the ball. Ball. It's a ball.
Give him some more.
No, he has a lot.
Okay.
Well, I guess so. You want some more balls? Buddy, get some more. Slap Joe's. Slap Joe's. Slap Joe's. Slap Joe's.
No. No, he's looking for the fork.
Oh. Want me to go get him a fork?
You could give him one of the little,
Yeah, go ahead.
with the big handles, big thick handles.
Or I can just give him a spoon. Can I do that spoon? He doesn't hear a spoon and fork. All he hears is a spoon. He doesn't like forks very much as spoons.
What did you do to your face? Ball.
Open up. Open up.
That's a big bite.
Let's just put a little bit on. Okay, now open up. Good boy. He wants to do magic again.
He wants more scooped on it.
Hey, Jack, here. Throw him in your face. Hey, Jack, no. Good boy. Now let go. Oopsies. There you go. Nope. Okay, open up. Open up.
Don't give him too much.
Silly. Hey, Jack, do you want to try a grape or two?
Has to be cut.
No, I don't. Can you cut it? There. So, he thinks it's a ball. That's not a bully, it's a grape boo. Cheese! Ding, 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 ding.
Can you cut that, please?
Lolly, lolly, lolly. Lolly, lolly, lolly.
Alex, do not pull the chair.
Yes. He needs more. Please. What? He needs more.
Yes.
At least. Yeah.
No, the grape. Ooh.
Some scoops. Oh, that's my drink. Here, let's put it over my sister. You want to take a scoop or two? You want to eat correctly,
That's
politely. Mom, this is what we're going to have to do at Passover. Bring this chair. Jack, open up. Okay, let's put this in. Leather. Hey, have to be go. Oh my gosh. It's a building. Booze.
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.